let's go down, come on down. Come on, fathers, let's go down, down in the river to pray.
All right, here we are on the Spanish Fork River, just below the Thistle Slide. So the water, I checked it today, they said it was running about 75 CFS, which is really low. And so I just wanted to see if I can get through on a worst case scenario. We've had some tough punches, right? Tell me about that, William.
There was a lot of some of this going on. At a moment, there was one of us who had to get out and walk. I won't mention names.
That was me. Hey.
But for the most part, we've done okay. Scraping bottom, inching along a little bit. We've done all right. It's shallow, but we're doing all right.
I would have made it through that, except for I've had some swelling lately of all the food I've been eating.
Yeah, well, it happens.
Yee-haw! Leave it to Beaver. Woohoo! Not bad.
Good?
Doesn't look too bad. You just gotta watch that wall over there, William, okay? I think people just brought cars up here to save the banks. Years ago. I think it was like I don't know if it was the late 70s or early 80s, but they brought all these old cars up here to try to save the banks. They just put them on the side of the river. It's like it worked. Look at that old car there.
Some Rusty's bumper on it.
Right. Did it.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Out of the way. It was all the way. That was a narrow channel, but we found it.
Woo!